Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you all are very fine. Stay at home. Okay. So today I will start your new chapter, operations with large number. So in the last chapter we have discussed about large numbers. Okay. Now today I will discuss the operations with large numbers. Okay. What are the operations? So, operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so today I will discuss only the addition and subtraction, sum amount of subtraction. Okay, so I will start with addition. Okay, so addition. You know additions? Simply addition means 5 and 3. If we add this, we will get 8. Okay, but this is not large number. Okay, today we will discuss about the operations of large numbers. Remember, large numbers, operations with large numbers. Okay, we have discussed the large number in the last chapter. Okay, so now I am starting with the addition of large number. For example, I am giving the example from the exercise so that you can do easily. 1b. At first write the numbers 5, 2, 5, 6, 8, 0, 3, 4. First number 6, 3, 3, 7, 1, 5, 4, 4. Next number 7, 4, 1, 2, 9, 4, 5, 4. You have to add these numbers. Okay, so you have already seen that these are the large numbers. Okay, and I am not telling it is an Indian system or it is an international system. I am just doing the sum or addition. Okay, so you know this is ones place, tens place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay, but this is in Indian system. Okay, so I normally use Indian system. Okay, now you have to add this. Before adding, you have to know about the carry. I hope you all are know about the carry. Okay, so if we add this number, what will get? 4 plus 4 plus 4. So we have to start the addition with ones place, that is from right to left. So if we add 4 plus 4 plus 4, then we will get 12. We will get 12. So for 12, we have to write here only the ones place, 2, and this number 1, this digit 1 will be the carry. For the next place. Clear? 4 plus 4 plus 4 means 12. So here we will write 2 and 1 will be the carry for the next place. Okay, next add these numbers. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13, 3, carry will be the 1. Okay, next 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 0, 9 plus 1 is equals to 10, 0, carry 1. Now 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 9, and carry will be the 1. And then 2 plus 7, 9, 6, 15, 15, 1, 16, 6, carry will be the 1. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry will be the 1. Next 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 0, 10, 0, carry 1. So 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 13 plus 5, 18, 18, 1, 19. there is no digits, so then the carry will, there will be no carry, it will place as usual, it will be placed as usual. So clear, these are the carries, carry. Okay, so I am repeating, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12. So 12, 2 will be placed here and 1 will be the carry. Next, this is 12, 2 will be placed and 1 will be the carry. Next, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 1 13. For 13, 3 will be here and 1 will be the carry, 1 carry. Next, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10. For 10, 0 will be sit here and 1 will be the carry here. So then 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 9, 18, 18 plus 1 19, 9, 1 will be the carry. Next, 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 6 will be here and 1 will be the carry for the next place. Remember, carry for the next place. So next, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 1 10. For 10, 10 0 will be placed here and 1 will be the carry. Next, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 0 will be placed here, 1 will be the carry. Next, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 1 19, but there are no digit before after this, so 19 will be placed as usual. So this is the answer, that, or this is the sum of this large number. This is the sum. Clear? Okay. Now find the missing digits. I will learn you how to find the missing digit. So missing digit, I am giving an example. 5b. Number 2, arrange in columns and add. You can do it easily in same way. Number 3, subtract. So subtraction I will discuss after this addition. Okay. So as I am discussing the addition, so I am discussing the missing. I have to find the missing number easily. Missing digit. Okay. So how can you find the missing digit? So problem is 2. This is not 0. This is empty. Okay, I am using this sign. 2, then empty, then 0, then 5. Sorry. Then 5, then empty, then 3. And here next 3, next empty, next 4, next 6, next 9, next empty. Okay, here 7, 6, 5, empty, 4 and 5, and here given 1 0 5 0 9 2 6 2 9. Okay. So you have to find the missing digits. Here you have to find the missing digits. Here you have to find the missing digit. How can I do this? Here all the digits are given. So I'm taking another example so that here must be empty place. Here also have empty place. Here also have empty place. Here also have empty place. So now I'm taking the number C. Number C, 8 0 7 0 4 2 5 3. Next, 9 5 2 4. All the rest of the places are empty. Next, 6 7 8 5 2. Rest of the places are empty. There are no digits, huh? 1 4 9 8 4. Sorry. 7 empty, 8 4 empty. You have to solve this. You have to find the missing digits. These are the missing digits. You have to find it. How can you find this? This is the addition. How can I do this? So before starting this, I'm asking you, suppose you tell me if 8 plus 7. Okay. So you tell me the sum of 8 and 7 or the addition of 8 and 7 can be less than 15. 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. Okay. So, sorry, one thing. 8 plus sum of 8 plus 7 can be less than 8 or can be less than 7. 8 or 7. 8 or, huh? You got it, na? Sum of the 8 and 7. Suppose sum of the 1 plus 2. Sum of the 1 plus 2. Is it possible the sum of this less than 1 or less than 2? Is it possible? Never. Always remember, sum of the two digits always greater than that digit. That means sum of 8 plus 7 must be greater than 8 and must be greater than 7. Sum of the 1 and 2 must be greater than 1 and must be greater than 2. We know that. That's sum of the sum of 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 is greater than 1 and 3 is greater than 2. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. So 15 is greater than 8. 15 is also greater than 7. So you remember, sum of two numbers. Remember one line. Sum of two numbers. Sum of two number or digit, whatever. Two digits is or numbers. Always 2 or 3, 2 or more. 2 or more. Always greater than each of the numbers. So remember this line, sum of two or more numbers. Sum of two or more numbers is always greater than each of the numbers. Like 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equals to what? 6 3 is a 9. 9 to 11. So 11 is greater than 6, 11 is greater than 3, 11 is also greater than 2. So remember, sum of two or more numbers is always greater than each of the numbers. Clear? Okay. So you have to remember this line, okay? Sum of the two or more numbers is always greater than the each of the digits or each of the numbers. So now to find this, you have to find this place and you have to add these numbers. So you have to compare the each of the digit, each of the place. Okay. So this is ones place, this is ones place, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000. For in Indian system, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh, this is crore. Now for one system. O for one system. At first, as we have to add these numbers, so you have to add this digit 3 plus 2. Now you see here, this is the actually addition, or this is the sum of three numbers. So you have to, now you see what is the digit at same place of the sum or of the addition. So in the addition, digit is 1 and here 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Is it greater than 1 or less than 1? 5 is always greater than 1. 3 plus 2 plus 5. 5 is greater than 1. So you say, is it possible sum of three numbers is less than 5? This is the addition and we have to add this. Okay, so you said this addition, is it possible this addition is smaller than addition of this? No. So this must be greater than the addition. This must be greater than the addition of these three number. Understand na? That means 5 greater than it is not possible, because this is the addition. So addition must be greater than each of the numbers. So 1 must be greater than 3, 1 must be greater than 2, and 1 must be greater than this digit. So it is not possible. So as it is not possible, then you have to take this 1 as 11. You have to take this 1 as 11. I am just telling the process how to do it. This must be taken as 11. Okay, and here the addition is 3 plus 2, that means 5. Now you subtract 5 with 11, then we will get 6. So the empty digit must be 6. Empty digit must be 6. Okay, so now ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now you say 6 plus 3 plus 2 is 11. So if 1 is here 11, 1 is here, so 1 must be the carry. 1 must be the carry. Okay, got it? 1 must be the carry. Now here all the digits are given. So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 1, 14 plus 1, 15, 15, 5, 15, 5. So 1 will be the carry. Okay, now 1 will be the carry. Now you say, now you add this. This is empty. Same process. Now compare 100 place. Remember this. Once again, if this addition is greater than this result, then you have to add this with 10. So that means 1 plus 10 is 11. If, and for the reverse case, if this addition is less than this, then you have to just subtract, and this will be the digit at empty place. This will be the digit at empty place. So remember, when this addition, except this empty place, this addition is greater than this result, then you have to add 10 with this number. Just remember this. You have to add 10 with this. Okay, nothing but. That is the easiest. For 100 place, now I am considering 100 place. Now you will clear it. 100 place. For 100 place, 8 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. That means 8 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 11. Now say 11 is greater than 4 or less than 4? 11 is greater than 4. Right? So this addition is greater than 4. So which is not possible. So we have to add 10 with this 4. So that must be 14. Now we have to subtract 11 with the 14. So we will get 3. So this is the digit at empty place. So here we write 3. Clear? So 8 threes are 11, 11 2, 13, 13, 1, 14, 14, 4. 1 will be the carry again. 1 will be the carry again. Next, compare this 1000 place for 1000 place. Compare 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 4 plus 2 plus 1. That means 7. Here 9. So 7 is less than or greater than? 7 is less than 9. 7 is less than 9. So yeah, here we do not need to add 10 with this, as it is greater. Okay, as it is greater, here we don't need to add 10. Now what is the answer here? 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. Here 2. Okay. Now again 7 plus 5, 12. So 12. So 2 will be put here and 1 will be the carry. Next, same. Consider now lakh place. Consider lakh place. 7 plus 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. 6 plus 7 plus 1 is equals to 14. 14 is greater than 8 or less than 8? 14 is greater than 8. So, as it is greater than this, so we have to add 10 with this. So, now it must be 18. So, the addition must be 18. Okay. So, what will be the answer? 18 minus 14 is equals to 4. So, here we put 4. Okay. So, now what will be the answer? 18. For 18, 8 will be placed here. So, 1 will be the carry again. Okay. Now, consider this place. So, 9 plus 1, 10 lakh place. For 10 lakh place. For 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs place. 9 plus 1 is equals to 0. Here is also 0. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. But here 4. So 10 is greater than 4. That means it is not possible. So it must be 14. So you have to add 10 with this. So answer must be 14. So and the answer is 4. So 9, 4, 13 plus 4, 1. Now 8 plus 1, 9. This is the answer. Clear? You tell me a simple, very simple. It is very simple. I am repeating again. 3 plus 2, that means 5. 5 is greater than 1. So it is possible. The sum of 3 digits is less than the every digit. Is it possible? No. It is not possible. As I discussed earlier, it is not possible the sum of 2 or more digit less than the sum. Okay, it is not possible. So this 3 plus 2 5 not equals to 3 plus 5 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 greater than 1. That means it is not possible the sum of 3 digit greater than the addition or greater than the sum. So this addition must be 11. Why I am taking 11? This is the ones place. For 10 place we have to take another 1, or we have to add 10, or we have to add sum 10 with this. So the addition must be 11. Now you see 5 is less than 11. Now you can say 11 is greater than 3, 11 is greater than 2, and 11 is also greater than that place also. Why I am taking 11? Clear? Because the sum of these digits cannot be greater than 1. So this is not 1. Actually this is 11. That means we have to add 10 with this. So this is 11. So that's now we put 1 here for 1 place, and then another one will be the carry. Okay. And for next for 10's place, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. 15 for 15, 5 will place and 1 will be the carry. Now this is the carry. Yeah? Now 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Again 11 is greater than 4. 11 is greater than 4. Is it possible? Is it possible the sum of 4 digits greater than the sum? No. So this addition must be 14. This addition must be 14. Actually, this is not 4. This is 14. I mean, we have to add 10 with this. So for 14, we have to put 4 and 1 will be the carry again. Okay. Next for 10,000 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. That means 7. Now you say 7 is less than 9. 7 is less than 9. Okay. So for that case, it is possible. The sum of, so 9 is greater than 7 is 7. That means 9 is also greater than this digit, this digit, this digit also, this digit. So the empty place is 9 minus 7. This is the answer. Okay. Now 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. So we have to put 2 here and carry 1 will be the carry. Now for lakh place, 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 1. Sorry, 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. But here 8. So is it possible that the sum of 3 digits must be less than the sum? No. So this is not actually 18. This is actually this. Sorry, this is not actually 8. This is actually 18. So we have to put here 8 and 1 will be the carry. And how to find the empty digit? 18 minus this sum. That means 18 minus 6 plus 7 plus 1. That means 14. So 4. Similarly, 1 will be the carry again. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is greater than 4. 10 is greater than 4. That it is not possible. So this is not actually 4. This is actually 14. Okay. And so 4 will be placed and 1 will be the carry. And what will be the empty digit? Empty digit 14 minus 9 plus 1, 10. 14 minus 10 is equals to 4. So this is the empty digit. Now 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So complete. Look at the process. Just remember this. When the addition of the digits is less than the sum, or this is the actual answer, or I am telling the sum. So I will call this sum digit and this is the only digit. So when the sum of the digits, sum of all the digit at a place is greater than the sum digit at the same place, less than the, that means when the sum of 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7, sum of the digit at a place is less than the sum digit, at same place, then we have to subtract the sum digit. We have to subtract this with the sum digit. We have to subtract the sum of the digits with the sum digit. Okay. And when the sum of the digits at a same place is greater than the sum digit at same place, then we have to take this as greater value. That means we have to add 10 with that digit. We have to add 10 with that digit, and then we have to subtract with this with the addition of the with the addition of the digits. Clear? So as the 10 is greater than 4, so we have to take 4 as 14, and we have to subtract 14. We have to subtract 10 with 14. That means 14 minus 10 is equals to 4 will be the empty digit. So I hope you all are clear. Okay. So watch the video carefully and read rest of the sums. Thank you. In the next class, I will start the subtraction. Okay. Thank you.